Hello! In front of me I have Huawei Watch 4 active, and I'm gonna show you how to track the steps or check the amounts of steps taken on this watch. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the crown button. After you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, the home screen, and you can swipe left on the screen to open the list of widgets, and you can scroll through this list, find the activity widget, looks like this, and then tap on it. And here you can scroll through the list of activities, and one of them will be steps, and you can check the amounts of steps taken right here. You can also open this menu through the settings. So once you're on the home screen, you can press the crown button, find the activity icon and tap on it, and it will open the activity widget, and you can check the steps right here. If you want some more detailed information, you can check it in the phone application on the phone that is paired with your watch. So I'm gonna move the watch to the side, bring the phone here. On our phone, I'm gonna wake up the screen, zoom out the camera so you can see the whole screen like this, and here we have our phone. Of course, this is a phone paired with our watch, and once you see the once you grab the phone, open the Huawei Health application, and in the app you should see health page, and here we have the today's steps, and as you can see, you can tap on this info right here to open the steps, and here we have more detailed information. So we have the amounts of steps taken through the whole day. We can check the week progression, month progression, and the year progression. And you have some more stats like right here. And once you're done, you can close the app. And that's how you track the steps or check the amounts of steps taken on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.